Okay, so you all know what a correlation coefficient is or a correlation analysis, but here's really the steps on walking through the correlation. So first of all, your research question has to be associated with a correlation. So the very first thing you're going to do is going to check assumptions. So we did that. All right, you guys have covered that in chapter 6 and chapter 7. And we're going to determine whether the data are normally distributed, if there's linearity, and we do that by assessing QQ plots and PP plots, histograms, normality, scatter plots, and so forth. All right, so we can then also check our assumptions, and if our assumptions are met, in other words, we don't have any outliers, our data are normally distributed, we have interval or ratio data, then I can run a Pearson-R correlation. If our assumptions are not met, our data are not, in other words, our data are not normally distributed, maybe we have some some outliers, and maybe we have some ordinal data, then we can choose a couple of options here. We'll talk a little bit about bootstrapping, but we're not going to do that. That doesn't give us the feature. But you can use Spearman's R and Kendall's Tau are two other options for running correlations. And some of you with some of your data will run these types of analysis. So that's really the process. So always in research, we check normality, check our assumptions, know what type of data we have so we know what analysis to run.